Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on more down here. So when you click on more, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you just scrolling down here into the wheel font settings, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on security here. So then it's going to take you to this list. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here into the wheel found here email. Then you receive unique security codes at your specific email. Clicking this sign. So then you here at your enter your code from your email. Then you click on verify. Then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.